Welcome back to Wegyanik. In our last video, we learned how to connect an RGB LED with ESP32 and how to make it glow in different colors. In today's video, we will take that project one step ahead and connect a potentiometer with the same RGB LED setup. We'll use it to change the color of the LED by rotating the knob. A potentiometer is a small electronic component that works like a volume control knob. In simple words, turning the knob to one side increases the value, and turning it the other way decreases the value. We'll use this changing value to control the color brightness of our RGB LED. This is what a potentiometer looks like. Let's see how to connect the circuit. We already have the RGB LED connected as before. Now, let's connect the potentiometer. The first outer pin goes to 3.3 volt. The second outer pin goes to GND and the middle pin. The wiper connects to D34. This is an analog input pin on ESP32. That's it. Your circuit is ready. And connect it with PC. This is the complete circuit. You can also take a screenshot of it. Now, just copy and paste the code from the website. Now let's quickly understand what's happening in this code. First, we define 3 pins for red, green, and blue, and 1 pin for the potentiometer. Then, in the setup part, we first start the serial monitor to display the readings. After that, we set the RGB pins as output. Then, in the setup part, we first start the serial monitor to display the readings. After that, we set the RGB pins as output. Then we map that value from 0 to 255. Then using that value, we control the brightness of the red, green, and blue lights. When you rotate the knob, the colors gradually change, creating a nice glowing effect. Then, this will print the values on the serial monitor with a delay of 0.1 seconds. Now upload the code to your ESP32 board. And slowly rotate the potentiometer knob. You'll see the RGB LED changing colors smoothly as you rotate. That's how you can use a potentiometer to control color brightness of an RGB LED with ESP32. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.